move to adjacent parent POWERPACK script, well, that's a tongue twister, is one of those things best explained visually. So right off the bat, we're here in my Kanban calendar. I've got two lists highlighted here. These are children lists, and these are their parent lists, Wednesday and Thursday. Now, in typical Kanban style, if I want to push this task out of today's workload, I can move it to tomorrow. I can move this task by using a keyboard shortcut, or I can drag it into place. And the other way I can move this task to the next parent list is by using the move to next parent POWERPACK script. So WFX, my shortcut is PL. Nice and easy. Not dramatically quicker, but just a bit of convenience. Let me undo the move. I'm now going to collapse this Thursday list. Again, place my cursor, WFX, and my shortcut. So my task was moved even though Thursday was collapsed. Still, nothing earth-shattering, but this gets more interesting. So let me undo the move yet again. What I'm going to do now is zoom into Wednesday and then activate the same script. I'm now going to jump to the next zoomed in list. And you'll see that even though I was zoomed into a different list, this task still landed in the right place. What this allows us to do is zoom into specific lists so that we can focus and still have the ability to move items up or down to an adjacent parent list. Also, I want to bring this task right here forward one day. So I place my cursor in the task and I activate my move to previous parent script. And now I'll jump to the list above using a WORKFLOWY keyboard shortcut. And here it is at the bottom of the list. So this set of scripts works like a charm, both when sending between list hierarchies that are expanded, and also when zoomed in and the list to which you're sending is not visible. Let me show you an actual use case of mine. I'm going to jump to a list that gives you an example of my workflow when scripting screencasts. Here's an outline with what I'm scripting, and in this outline, I have a list of general dynamics that I want to expand upon. I'm going to go ahead and zoom into my script list so that I can gain some focus. So I've made a start on my script, and now I'm ready to pull in the next point to write about. And I'm going to jump to my next list down, and I'm going to make sure my cursor is in the list I want to move to my script outline. So let me move this up. WFX. And I'm also going to jump too. And with this item here, it serves as a cue as I continue to script what I'm going to say in this screencast. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to install this set of scripts. Let's jump to the WFX POWERPACK list. Zoom into here. You'll see that there are two scripts here. You're going to install both of them so that you can move lists both to the next and the previous parent lists. I'm just going to show you this one. Move to next parent. So we activate our built-in shortcut that allows us to create new shortcuts, WFS. I'm going to change false to true because I want to move items to the top of my next parent list. And for this specific script, I don't want a confirmation message after I've moved an item. So to not have it show, I'm going to enter -1. And I'm going to call my shortcut PL. I'm choosing something that makes sense to me, something that's easy to remember. And that's all there is to it. The great thing about this set of scripts is that you can use them all over your WORKFLOWY account, wherever you're zoomed in, and you don't want to have to zoom out to move items across to adjacent lists. And in the next screencast, I'll be showcasing a script that allows us to move lists up to the next zoomed out level. The link is in the description box below the video.